Hello everyone. Welcome to TELLS Videtionary. Today, November 7th, our word of the day is augury. A-U-G-U-R-Y. Augury. Augury is a 6-letter word and a noun. Remember, a noun refers to a thing, a person, an animal, a place, a quality, an idea, or an action. Augury means a sign of what might happen in the future. In other words, an augury is a sign of things to come, like an omen. If you're superstitious, you might think that seeing a black cat is an augury of bad luck. Similar words include auspice, boding, harbinger, herald, portent, precursor, sign, token, warning, divination, prediction. Examples of sentences using augury are: many analysts see the dire unemployment statistics as an augury of a continued recession. His remarkable recovery defied all medical auguries. Some people believe that a broken mirror is an augury of 7 years of bad luck. I hope it is a happy augury that the sun has come through the mists. As with all augury, there's room for interpretation. These sales figures are a good augury for another profitable year. Make sure to save this new word, augury, so you can practice using it in your everyday sentences. That's all for today. Thank you for spending your time with me. I hope you learnt something new. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you receive similar videos every day. Have a fulfilling day. See you tomorrow. Cheers.